we got our sign up form. So now we will just say that so actually we don't need the sign up file, the CSS file. So we just remove the CSS file, the style. So actually that's it. We don't need that, and we will sign in directly. We create the sign in form. So here we check if the form group, if the sign up form group is valid. If the sign up form group is valid, so what we need to do is we need to check if the user uh we need to say that we need to check if the user agree with term and condition. This time you need to check this before, because let's remove that. Because if you hit this button, nothing happens, because we are not implementing not we are not implementing the because we are not added the error message. So let's add the error message. So actually we are not we don't have any error message. So actually let's add our error message. So for the full name we need a ng container. So we use a ng container to check with a ng if directive to check if our form, so actually our form dir, yes, our form dir, like I said before, has error. So we say the error type will be required, and the field will be the full name. So if we got this error, so you just need to display a message, display a error message. So we say that we have a caption here and a statue that we have in our CSS changer, and we say that here we have error message like this. We have sign up error, and I create an object for error. We say the full name have error. So we say that error, so the full name is require, and we say that the email also is required, and we say that the password also is required. We do the same. I know this is a lot of work, but actually this is what we need to do to translate a website, a Angular software. So here we have some French translation. So we say that le nom complet, est obligatoire. Le nom complet est obligatoire. After that, we say l'email est obligatoire. L'email est obligatoire, and after that we say that le mot de passe est obligatoire. Obligatoire is mandatory, and mot de passe is password, email is email, and non-complete is full name. So this is actually what we got. So we will just display our error message about. So we say app sign up, and we say that error, and we say that we want full name error. We add our pipe. You will do the same for the rest, because in our form everything is mandatory. So just copy and paste in email parts here. Format the document. I don't know why it keeps cutting wrong everything, but anyway, this is actually wrong. Get wrong. So here we have email, don't forget, and password. So here we say that also this file is required, but this is should not use any requirement or this we use it like so now what we will do is that we want to just forget about. Yes, we want to have some. Yes, you can see that. Okay, we have everything that show a message. This is required. This is required. This is good. We have something good, so we can add a little margin or just use a paragraph here. Maybe this is better. Up. I think nothing is changed, but why? We use margin. Maybe margin will be good, but I can let everything right like this. So okay. Now I want to have here something that asks the user if he already have an account he can log in. So let's do that. So after the form we create a section, a div, sorry, a div like this. We add some margin top 5, and we say that we want to have to ask the user if he got already had an account. So say sign in page already had Okay, the margin is too much because I have a yes. Here I have in my form I add a class. I think I need to add it, change the position of this class so I can use it for the card basically or the body. So I will add the class to the body. Say that I want this so my margin can still be 4 for example. And I will say that go to the sign in. So we use a router. So actually in Angular you need to use instead of href, a regular href, you need to use a router link input. So when you get your router link input, you need to specify our route. So because we already have inside our auth module, you can see that here, we just say that we want the sign-in module. You can say that we want our sign-in module like this. And we say that we want the same thing here. We say go to just say sign in like this, because we don't need to move this actually in. Don't forget to translate. Uh, to translate. So the translation, avez-vous déjà un compte? Avez-vous déjà un compte? And we say here, we say we want another key called not from a sign-in object, but here we call sign-in. We say se connecter, and we say sign up. Here we have, okay, not good. We just have title here that say s'inscrire. We have, okay, here we have btn sign up. Sorry guys, I'm changing everything. So we have s'inscrire, and so we have s'inscrire, and here we have another object called sign in. This will be an object too, and we say that the title will be se connecter. And we do the same here. After the sign up object, we say that sign in. And here we have our title also, and we say that this title is sign up. Okay, now that we got everything, let's use that. So we have app sign in, we have our title, and our button will be sign up, btn sign up, and go. Okay, I got something wrong. Let's see actually what we got. Okay, yes, I didn't change the key here. I just changed the key here, but I make sure that we have the same key. So we have the same key. Reload. Okay, still have error. So here and here have the same key from sign up and from sign up. So in the HTML, what we got this. Okay, still not got this work. Okay, let's say we have this one and this one, and that we save everything. Okay, maybe we got something wrong. Okay, good. This is good. This is actually good. And if you, okay, I think we got a problem here. So we had the sign-in route and we click and nothing happens. Okay, cannot match this route. Okay, actually what you need to is to add this like this, and you can actually go to the sign in. Still not working. And if you do it like this, still not working. Cannot match any route like this and like this. Okay, maybe I need to add a three to double that. Okay, good. You can see that work. Okay, now we will create a user. So now we will have a toast. So we have some utils. So here we will create a toast service. So we create a new class called toast utils. So I call the other file uh, service, but actually I need to change the word. So we export class and say toast utils, and we will just add a static method here to create toast. So we say that public static show toast. Why I'm creating the toast to display a message where if something is wrong, if the user tries to create an account and he have a bad request happen from the back, or yes, when he will be logged in, it will show, or we can also show a success toast also. So show a toast. So we will get a toast service. So actually we will need a toast service. I don't know if we can inject a toast service directly from here. Don't know. Let's see, we can, I think, I don't know if we can do that. Don't know. We will see if that work. Never do that, like, but let's try. So we will say that this is a void method. We say that this toast service. Okay, we can't use this injection. Okay, this is our auth. So we will just use the service inside. We just use add parameter. So we use enable auto service. We will show the message. So the message will be from the parameter here. And we say the status because we need a status. So that will be nb status, nb status. Don't know what I need to see. I think I need to create an enum of status. So because here after the message you need to specify a title and what again I don't know actually, but let's see. Let me see actually in another project what I use. Okay, actually I need a okay, this is actually a toaster service. A toaster service. So I need to show I need a message, a toaster service and a status. So that will be a nebular component status, and we have our message that will be a string. So we show a status and we will show our message, and we say that the status is here and our duration is maybe 700 milliseconds to use. Okay, now that we create our toast service, let's generate a duck. So now we can easily use this across the software. So here we have our sign up ready. Let's click here that say nothing is okay. Okay. So here we will directly pass our value, so corresponding to the user. Sorry, that will be value here, and here we have our user. So our user model, and we check if the form is valid. If the form is valid, we will check if the user, if the form is valid, we will check if our user agree with term and condition. If our user agree with term and condition, and what we will do is we will just, I think we can break the method. We just need to return. I don't know. Oh yes, I think we just need to return if the user do not agree with term and condition. Sorry guys, do not agree with term and condition. We need to return, but we need to display. So we will say a toast util, and we say to show toast, and we say we want a danger statue, and we want our toast message. So we inject our toaster toaster service, and B toaster service. And we want our statue, so we say danger warning, and we want our message. So yeah, this is this. We want our message, so our message will be you need to agree with term and condition. So let's go back in our JSON file. We need let me get up here very quickly. So we need to actually we need to what I say. Sorry guys, I'm a little bit tired. I just got off training, person training, and I'm really tired, and it's too late here. So sorry guys. I say that we need to yes, you need to agree with term and condition. So yeah, the message. I will actually put that in error message. You need to agree with term and condition before continue. And now that I have my key that translate in French. In French, say vous devez d'abord accepter. Vous devez d'abord accepter les termes de la licence et les conditions. Now that I have that, I can just use a translate service. So actually, using in HTML you use a pipe, but in the TypeScript you will use a translate service to translate, so you will use a translate service. So um just use a translate service. So import your translate service, and you will say translate instant, and you will actually call the key. The key will be app sign up, and you will say error, and you will say agree with terms to translate to show the toast. So let's have actually. So we need to import the toast module here. So we need to put the toast module. So go to our authentication module, and we say we want a toast. We want to import toast module. Here, no provider. I think we need a provider for our toast module. This is not about. This is not about the module, but more about a provider. So we need to add the toast. I don't know if this is directly in the module toast service, or you actually need to do that in the app service. No, that seems to not work. Actually, I don't know if it is here. We got. It is because I'm using this one. Okay. Maybe I should use a service. Actually, I should create a service, I think, and inject the service. Yes, I think this is what I need to create, because to make everything work, I need to create a toast service. Toast service, actually. Sorry, guys. Just make you work for nothing. So I have my toast service. So let's move this method in our toast service. Delete this file directly, and now you can remove this parameter I use. Actually, you don't never have to do this. Actually, I don't know why, because I'm a little bit tired. You don't need to pass a service as a parameter. Directly need to you directly need to inject the service. I don't know if I can inject a service inside another service. I think I can, but still don't know each time if this is right to inject a service. Okay, this is what I got. Okay, let me see, remove this. Now let's remove this. Um, part. And here, let replace this by our auto service. Remove this. Still need I still need a provider, but how I can use the provider? Okay, let me see.